Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall older versions of Java on Windows 10. Type Java uninstall tool in browser search bar. Click Java uninstall tool. Click I agree to the terms and want to continue. Open downloaded file. Click agree. Select the Java version to uninstalled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.